All right, guys, is this thing on? Uh, Customer of mine does circle track stuff, and he was wanting a little edge. So I'm real good buddies with the guys at Perfect Circle Engines, and we figured we would get him a little head work done. We'll be doing the final assembly here ourselves, but I wanted you guys to get the unboxing. These guys do stellar work. Uh, Nick, Cody, uh, Jesse, love it. It's already a mess in the shop, so might as well make it a bigger mess. Ship this head off. It's been about 10 days now. We just received it back. This thing was pretty rough when I sent it in. Uh, Comes back with Rollins guides, valve job, CNC port work. Man, that's exciting right there. Let me beautiful, beautiful work here. That Bonds guides. Would you just look at it? Anyway, guys, so my voice cracked. I've been having a little hoarse throat lately, a little sore throat going on. We'll get this thing assembled, get it to our customer. We're super packed right now. We appreciate your all's business either way. Thank you guys for being patient with us on finishing projects up. Keep buying t-shirts. Keep Josh slaving away. We'll keep trying to put videos out as much as we can without taking away from too much work. Uh, Thanks, guys. Love y'all.